this for free. It's a car sticker. I don't know why they give it to me, because I ride bike. But well, free, Malaysian. Yeah. Potong rambut sekejap. Hi uncle.
A few moments later.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? I'm Chin.
I'm Chai, and together
we are the
ChinChai Bros. Right. So it's a beautiful day, man. Puasa. Pity our friend here. Huh? Puasa. Bro, sabar bro. In another tak ada watch pun tengok watch. Anyways, yeah. But in a while more you can buka puasa lah. Right, so it's good to be back. I'm very sorry guys, because I've been so tied up with my event and shows and everything, so I haven't had the time to I haven't had the time to get to get this video done as promised. You know, if you watched our first video, it's a mouthful actually, a DIY Swiss Army key holder. Alright, so that's what's going to be happening today. I'm going to show you today on how to get this done. Yep. So let's go.
Let's go. Is it here?
So basically these are the things that we're going to be needing to make the Swiss Army key holder. Well, this is just a simple Makita drill, a G-clamp, it's a normal screwdriver, a plier. So what you're looking at is actually a foldable plier. Right, as you can see. Well, earlier I had already removed all the gadgets. They used to be inside of this plier. Well, we're gonna be tossing everything away, but we're gonna be needing one, because we're gonna be using this as a template for the keys. And later I'm gonna be showing you how to use it as a template and how to cut the keys. And we're going to be needing screws and nut and washers. Alright, so these are pieces of metal that I kind of modified from this hasp and staple. I'm sure you guys know what this is. So the latch, so I'm going to be showing you how to cut this. You're going to be needing a size 4 drill bit. So pretty much these are the things that we're going to be needing.
Now you're going to have to repeat this on all 4 sides. Stable, eh? Alright, okay. So as I've stated previously, right, the motive of this video is to be able to do DIY stuff as cheap as possible. Alright, so this is what I've come up with. This is a drill, but then I've incorporated a grinder's disc on it, and my drill can now do this. Alright, so we're going to be using this to cut the key. However, always remember, safety is always our number one priority. Safety is always our number one priority. Macam mana ni? Alright. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill holes on the marked area. So now we've completed all the grinding and the cutting works, and this is what we have in hand. So now what we're going to do, we're going to use this sandpaper to sand grade it, just smoothen all the rough edges and everything, and I'm going to show you how to assemble this. Alright, so we're done with cutting and grinding everything, whatever not. Right. So now we're going to assemble this. You're going to have to align your keys properly. You're going to have to put a washer in between your keys. Right. And once you've done that, you're going to have to put your screw in and make sure it's flush. Right? Once you've done that, you're going to have to hold the key, unscrew the screw, but make sure everything is aligned. You're going to have to put the key through, and this is how you get it. Okay, so because these two keys are pretty thin and there's a lot of room space, so I've decided to put in a nut instead, because the nut is pretty thick and it will fit in quite perfectly. I'll show you shortly. We fit the last screw. There's something additional that you'll need to do. Remember this piece? So we're going to put it here. So now this is what it looks like. We've got two keys over here. Two keys over here, and this you can use it to put on a keychain or something, so that it can hang like this. And we're pretty much done. I give you the Swiss Army key holder.
Es bleiben im Raum Keitel, Jodel, Krebs und Burgdorf.
Das war ein Befehl! Der Angriff Steiners war ein Befehl! Wer sind Sie, dass Sie es wagen, sich meinen Befehl zu